sure you're holding it right so it don't be upside down. Oh, hold on, fool. You recording right now? Alright, peace everybody. We got a little target practice going on right here. That's the nod. Got my son Damani filming. Little Quayle. Come on, boy. Alright. Right over there. Looks like we got what we got here. Maybe go. We call this little I guess shotgun over there. Alright. We got our little scoreboard right here. Right now, looks like I'm winning. I hit the little bottle, 500 points. So we gonna keep score. You know, I made these little targets over here. One target. We got 100 points here, 50, 25. Then we got the plastic mark here, a little smaller, which is 100 points. Then we got the little bottle here, that's 500 points. And we got a little sheetrock with a circle target board, and got all your little points here. So alright, here we go. We already got one round, the second round. Alright, let's go for it. Extend your arm. Make sure you look at this one. Good shot. Got that for you. In your arm. Good, 100 points. We got our safety glasses on and everything. Everybody get 3 shots apiece. You got 100 points for Quayle? Oh, good. What's that shot? Out of 50 shots. 50 points for Quayle over here. Now you want to get closer? Little dent right there you just made. Nice shot, Quayle. Alright, this is it. You got him? Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah, it does got some kick to it. Not trigger.
Good. What you hit?
It's going to pierce it, I know it.
There we go. Point down, son. Alright. Good.
Is that it?
One shot. Almost. Nothing right now. Something come out? I think it might be jam. Let's see.
No, it's just empty.
Dad, I think there's some.
No, Dad, put over there. You forced it to come out.
Oh, yeah, that's 25. That's how it's supposed to be.
Wow. Get that out. No, you gotta put down that trigger. Put it down.
Yeah.
All the way to the end. I'll shake it.
Okay.
Yeah, keep working.
I don't think that was coming out. I don't see that. So you get 2 more shots. No. Take your time. Good.
Did I get it?
Yeah, it's 100 points. And that's
Yeah, that's weird. Let me see that. Let me see what the... That, let me see
a little jam up here.
Here, let me see. See this. Yeah, this is cool.
expert at the Airsoft pistol is. Come on, get it loaded up.
Mom, can I get, I want to buy.
Oh, okay. Let me get that.
Here it is.
Alright. Go ahead, load food up. Some more shots to put in.
Go. That.
About 2 you want to go? What's it? Hold on, look.
I just have a 5. I think I didn't hit nothing.
Now hit nothing?
I got a 2.
5.
That's 3.
Look, 100 points. Go. Got 100.
Last point.
Alright, your turn now.
Dad, can I get a bite?
You gotta touch it. You got your hand, boy. Is it the power?
You can actually feel when it's recharged. It should like the trigger should feel hard when it's recharged.
What is it?
Good. Aim a little lower.
Yeah, it's a big float. Lower now.
One more shot.
Out of bullets?
Yep.
It doesn't really sound like that. It don't even sound bullets. It sounds... Yeah, I think so, bullets.
Alright, get the big one.
They got one.
I'm not gonna get this again. Gotta aim lower. Lower. Like that. Something like that. See, it floats high. So.
Copy.
Try to aim it. Lower. Good. See? More lower.
Oh, nice.
Is that it? No, I watch it. I don't think they really. Let me see. No more bullets. No, she didn't. There's no more bullets.
There is.
I know what the shot is. That means it's in the cartridge. That doesn't mean it's loaded in the gun.
Here.
So that's not it. Let me recharge.
Your turn?
I need to go to church front too.
Yeah.
Try aiming like slowly.
Oh, you gotta load this one.
Gotta do it one more time, Dad. She didn't shoot it. There's no bullet.
Alright.
There's no bullet. That's why I knew it didn't sound like.
Alright, so now we loaded. Look at you on camera, man. Nice. You can't be on camera doing that.
Nah, I'm just gonna cut out that part.
If I didn't load it up for you.
I'm loading it up. I'm just gonna cut that part out.
Come on, man. Get over here and get it going.
Cut that part out.
Come on, let's go. What do you want? You whining about?
Watch me now. I want to show you something. Dad, this doesn't count. Dad, this doesn't
All right,
count.
okay. Go ahead.
Nah, look.
Don't come out?
No. See, you ain't up like this high. You gotta make sure that you can high. Everything's in a little.
Hold on, little baby right there.
Come in. Go back. I need to take the glasses.
Yep. Shoot it in the air, see if you got it's loaded.
Dad, I know it's loaded.
Well, then give it to Naya. It's her turn.
I know how to aim.
She know how to aim. She got some points. Hold on. Ain't nobody got safety glasses on. Now her turn. Give her the glasses. Get Bummer Cop. Hold on, Yaya. Take the glasses off of Naya. I mean, off Monty's face.
Why you hiding that boy? Little boy.
You can get down on one knee if you want to. Watch out. Good.
Did you get it?
I think so. You hit that bottle? All right, shoot again. Damn. You hit that bottle? That's a good shot. Shoot at the plastic. Good shot. Alright, let's turn you up, money. That's 100. Come mark your points. That's 100 points. I'm going to have to load the little pistol.
Dude, you can't pull this out so fast. The more faster you pull it out. Put these extras in here. Got package.
It's okay, boy. You got burrito on your face. Go get a napkin. Go get a napkin, boy. No, it ain't. Look at your face. Look at your face. Go get a napkin.
After this is finished, I really want to show you how I clip the bullet. The bullets can go in multiple ways. Like a real shotgun.
Alright.
It works like a real shotgun. Wait a minute. I'm trying to use this one.
We gotta load it up.
I know.
Water. Whoa, boy. There's a water baby. Hi. That water baby.
Alright.
Hi, baby. I just want mine. For everyone's far. I'll get it. Everyone's far I get. Everyone's far I get. Get. Wherever.
I ain't gonna watch it. What are you on camera with? Sour cream and what's that? Refried bean on your face. What you gotta say about that? What you gotta say about it?
Can you float it? Okay.
Look at that pole.
75.
You back up some. That's too close for you. Back up a little bit.
I almost had it.
Yeah.
So I just went a little higher. Almost had it again.
Man, you on camera doing craziness. Who jump around like that?
Oh, look at it glitch. That's what real guns do. That look at it. Sit down, camera. Look at that's what real guns do. You see? They cock back and they stay cut back when they're out of bullets. Some guns do that.
Yeah. Oh,
No, that's not what they call it when the bullet's empty. They just.
Alright, I'll go with the other, with the big one.
One more.
Right there.
Why are you standing like that?
Quick wig. My baby.
Don't stand like that. Stand like you mean it. Oh, cool. Ah. 500. Think you good, huh? Step back then so you can hit the little bottle.
Okay.
The man hit the bottle?
Yep. You ain't standing right. That's why you missing all that time.
That's the baby.
Correct. Wrong stance.
I can see.
Ah, yeah, hit that little sucker. Think you got a little aim, huh? Alright. That look like what about maybe 10 yards, 5 yards, 8 yards. That's pretty good distance though. Alright, get the big one. Alright. Maybe get me some shots in. No, you ain't. Back up.
Yeah, come on, this thing doesn't have that much accuracy as that little one.
I know, that's why you practice.
Boom. Put it off the top of it, almost had it. I did a little bit lower. A little bit more accuracy. Mind blown.
Oh, man. Yeah, hit the damn thing. You think it's pretty good, huh, boy? Back up. Okay, a little distance right there. Hit that little ass bottle with a pellet, huh? That's pretty good, boy. Oh. Nice, close.
Keep flying off the top of it.
Well, let me get some in. Let me get some in. Oh, man. Oh. All right, you come film. Wrong stand. Oh, man.
Man, I almost had it.
Hmm?
Too far away.
My turn.
My turn.
Got it. Come on, come.
Yeah, boy.
Come on, check it. You already have bullets. I put 4 bullets inside. How much can you shoot? D-tanks? You see D-tanks too?
Mm-hmm. I gotta try doing this every day. It's fun. Getting some targets. Yeah, I can't wait until I do it with a real gun. See, cool.
Yeah, we might go to the range and show bring a rifle next weekend.
Yeah, I can't wait to shoot it with the no recoil. You said that right? That no recoil.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool. You just get really steady. Like some snipers have recoil like that. Cause you know they're really strong. This one don't have no recoil. That's pretty tight right there. I like that. Just a straight diagonal shot there. Sure, it's not locked.
Shoot. Shoot stuff. Shoot some more.
Yeah, you can do.
Woo! Hey! I now toast the point.
And I don't think you're gonna be able to get the little bottle this far.
You tried?
Hang up.
Try it the next time. She should come out. You sure something
I have a problem with it.
Nothing coming. Not too hard, Dad.
Bam. Huh? First shot.
I'm gonna beat you.
Boy.
Here, hold this.
Huh?
Here.
It's still my shot. Can I get a
No,
couple more?
yeah, man. I'm gonna beat you.
How far
Let
is
me get
that,
the
man?
shotgun.
Let's see how far that is. Go walk down there.
Hold this one.
Huh? What you mean? You the cameraman?
Hold that here.
What you doing? Yeah, boy. If this is a real thing, give it to money. Let him do the thing. Let me get over here and report. Yeah, leave up this thing. You got me?